Victoria. 377 4. Hang on. No, yeah, 377 426 and 377 426. And 377 432. And then the 1331 service to Bedford was about 6 minutes late. Well, then this is that was all we bought from walking. So our train's about 11 minutes. Now past by to Gatwick Express bound for Brighton. Leading 37226 and then 37121. 1335 service to Victoria, bus on time. With 377, 426 and 438. Right. 1350. Walking because calls for that train. Right, I'll keep it rolling first here. Huh? No. Yeah, I'll keep rolling. Yeah, I'll keep it rolling because another train coming. Gatwick Express service bound back to Victoria. No! Don't come to me! Go away with me. You're still on the bench. 37202 and 37205. $13.40. Yeah.
You listen to me.
Yeah, I'm quite. Yeah. Are you back there? Yeah, yeah. Yes, sure. Yeah, you're 13.47 to Cambridge.
Do not move.
You're quite angry. Like, yeah. 701, 13. Oh wait, I will keep. I think it's the Brighton train. From the Brighton train. You guys do Peterborough train. Peterborough's on platform 1. It is busy. Very busy. Our party leave 1340. Service to Cambridge. Was about on time. And the Bedford is just approaching. It's going to be 12 o'clock service from Bedford. Welcome the 12 o'clock service from Bedford. Ah, such was about 3 minutes. Yeah, 701 left for 114 to Cambridge. Now the R2 approaches. Now the 1343 service to Peterborough was about 2 minutes early, which is just from platform number 1. I'll keep rolling because there's another 10 service terminating here from Bedford. From Bedford, it's terminating here. Ah. Oh. Alright, nothing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I used to do small spot memory chip. I was getting none for my memory chip and probably something. Oh, my 9 for my probably Southern 377 memory chip. 701.15 from Bedford. 701.15 from Bedford. And then 701.01 to Peterborough. There's our train, it's just there. Hold it tight, please. Hold it tight.
And to Bognor Regis, calling at Crawley and to Horsham, where the train divides.
Don't say that to me, you'll go coach on door 2. I'll go door 1.
And to Portsmouth Harbour, and travel in the front 4 coaches.
4 coaches, 4 coaches. Oh, 8 coaches.
Christ's Hospital,
There's Gatwick.
Marlborough, Amberley,
Now there's our train, 44 service to Portsmouth Harbour and Bognor
Bognor
Regis.
Regis should
Yes,
travel in the
service.
rear 4 coaches of the train.
44 43 service to Peterborough. Here's 377 4377 439 and 43. You're going to go code from door 2 and I'm going to door 1. Yeah, 43 is good. You don't say that to me. You're going to go code from door 2. Yeah, I'm going to sit over there. You don't say wait. Funny ministry.
Nobody, man. Don't make me even get Hennessy.
You know, I haven't drank since Turkey since my holiday. I don't know if you know the last day. I haven't been that drunk since first year. I was back. I threw up in my
Yeah, I saw the video. I seen the video.
bro. So like that made me not want to drink it.
No,
So
Yes, you're right.
but,
Probably signal box.
so yeah, I will drink today.
I don't want to buy Hennessy.
Welcome aboard the Southern Service to Portsmouth Harbour and Bognor Regis. The next station is Horsham.
Me and Zidane, we got
This is coach number 4 of 8.
Hi, Mayor. Hiya. Great Northern. They talk to me.
Hi there.
Because Great Northern has got rid of 387, 303 and 304.
Oh, right, yeah, good.
Because 379 has got them and has replaced them. Thank you. Oh no! Come on! Oh no!
Service will be Horsham. Please note at Horsham the train will be divided. The front half of the train, coach numbers 1 to 4, make up the service to Portsmouth through Chichester and Fratton. The rear half of the train, coach numbers 5 through to 8, will make up the stopping service from Horsham to Bognor Regis. Please make sure you're travelling in the correct part of the service. If you are unsure of your position or you do need to move, it is easier to do so at Horsham. The train will remain on the platform for 4 or 5 minutes while the detachment takes place.
Taking place.
Leave the train at Horsham, make your way along the platform. You'll see where the train divides and you'll be able to board the right part
Of the
Thank
train.
you.
We are now approaching Horsham, where the train will divide. Coaches 1 to 4 will continue to Portsmouth Harbour. Coaches 5 to 8 will continue to Bognor Regis. Please ensure you are travelling in the correct part of the train. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. This is coach number 3 of 8.
Yay! Thanks for watching. This is my 300 subscriber special. See you later. That's my video. See you later. Oh, trouble to you with our... Hey! Leave me alone. There's the Gemini 2 bus.